Never really cared for Yelp, me neither. But you know what I do care about? Getting more customers for my local business. So guess who cares about Yelp now? This guy. And why do I care more about Yelp? Because Yelp is really important for showing up in new AI searches. And guess what? I want to show up in new AI searches for my local business and for my clients' local businesses because I know that's how they get customers. The AI searches are showing up at the top. The AI searches care about what people say about you on Yelp. So guess who has to start caring about Yelp? Us. And just so you know, there's 2.5 million people who use Yelp every day instead of Google to look at local businesses and make decisions about where to shop, buy, hire. So maybe we should just pay attention to it anyway. Let me show you exactly where this is coming from and why you're getting this advice right now today. Okay, so here was the hard part about having to do Google SEO, and we still do, but Google was really locked down about what their algorithm would decide for results. Here's the difference with ChatGPT. It'll just tell you because it's just an AI. And so it will answer your questions, and it will even answer your questions when you're like, hey, how did you choose which stores to recommend to me? I said, best hardware store near me. And I also asked ChatGPT to tell me how it's deciding what to rank for me. Here are a few hardware stores. It said Denver True Value, Ace Hardware, 9th Avenue, Jordan's Building Center, Denver Hardware. Great. And then it gave me, address or information like this. Source transparency, because I asked it for this. It said, here's where the data came from. Yelp listings and directories of hardware stores in Denver. Searches, best 10 hardware stores near Denver. Official store pages, right? Use that information, address, services, location, local business websites. In this case, Yelp did influence which name showed up since I used Yelp's top hardware stores in Denver list, but I also cross-checked with non-Yelp sources to confirm address, services, and legitimacy. So what happened when I looked or I just asked the best hardware stores near me in my zip code? It just went to Yelp and pulled the ones from Yelp. If you've been neglecting your Yelp presence, because we in the SEO community have been talking about how important Google business profile, Google reviews are, all that, and it still is because it's still the king of search. But this right here is the fastest growing way that people are searching for things. ChatGPT and even Google is showing AI overviews now for answers, right? We are seeing a reliance on Yelp. That's why you're seeing it not just only there, but if I actually search in Google best hardware stores near me, Denver, look what's going to come up. Didn't even do the search ahead of time. 3-pack, we know that. The Yelp listing, the Yelp list right here. So if you're a hardware store that has ignored your Yelp presence with reviews, ratings, or keeping an active business listing on Yelp, you're not there in Google. That's the first result after the 3-pack. So it's 3-pack, then Yelp listings, and you're not there. And you're not there in ChatGPT results either because they're just pulling the information from Yelp. So Yelp is becoming critically valuable, whether we like it or not, as the other place that you need to get reviews and keep an active profile with good local keywords and a proper profile. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Hit like and subscribe as we keep deep diving into how SEO is changing to make sure that your business can show up at the top when people are looking to buy, hire, or eat at business just like yours. Thanks so much. We'll catch you in the next video.